skate like a comet, he remembered. She was not afraid to skate where the ice was thinnest. She was the best dancer. She was the best girl basketball player in the entire county. She made the most baskets. She rooted for the team, making us win when we were losing. She was first in everything, taking the first prize every time. She was first in love, and now you say she's first in death, too. First in the hearts of a countryman. She never took a second prize. She never got married. Perhaps it's reasonable, though.